Welcome to week 10 of Anatomy and Physiology. This week, your assignments, as always, are going to be due on Sunday night by 11:59. That will be March 31st. Be sure to start early in the week so that you will be able to interact with the material, study the material, and integrate it into your brain. Click on Modules, as always, to access your assignments. I have created a Zoom lecture for you. Print your notes. You can print the copied notes, the outline form. You may print the PowerPoints themselves, whichever is best for you so that you're able to see them, write on them, make notes from them, make note cards, do whatever you need. And then be sure to play the quizzes game that I've created. These will help you with your quiz questions for the week. So as you see, it's joints. Go up here, click on modules, and you go into modules. Each week, as you know, I move the chapter that we're talking about for the week to the top and to the top of modules. You may go here. These are extra ancillary materials that are available, but I strongly suggest you always click on the Dr. Rouse notes, PowerPoint, Zoom lecture, and game that I provide for you. So when you click there, you see I've got the notes available here. This is the PowerPoint. I have added several different things to the PowerPoint to help it align exactly with your quiz. I have recorded a Zoom lecture for you to explain each part so that you can you will have a visual exposure to the material, an auditory exposure to the material, and then I suggest you write in extra things as well. And then when you're done with that, then I suggest that you go to this website, enter this code, and play the quizzes game that I've created for this chapter. So once you've done that, it will help you learn the material very, very well. So when we go back to modules, you see that you have for this week, so that all of that material is right here under Dr. Rouse, Chapter 8, Notes, PowerPoint, Zoom lecture, and game. You have your lecture assignment, then you take your lecture quiz, you practice the material here, and then you take your quiz here. This week you have two labs, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. If you did not listen to last week's Zoom lecture, I suggest you go back and listen to it again, or even if you did, listen to it again. It will help you with the lab materials. Work hard, aim for a 100, do very well. If you have any questions, any problems, please contact me and I will be happy to help you. Have a great week.